Okay, so I thought I'd do a short video about how to navigate Team Georgia. Team Georgia is the website for all state employees, and it has a lot of information that adjuncts in particular will find helpful. And I'm not sure if they go over this in any kind of training, so I thought I'd do so here. First is my careers, so this is where you can find information about all state of Georgia full-time and part-time job openings. Here are discounts. Even as adjuncts or part-time instructors, you can still these options are still available to you. Discounts on Braves tickets, the zoo, Six Flags, Callaway Gardens, the aquarium. All you have to do is show your state ID or your college ID. But most importantly here, employee self-service account. So you click on SAO TeamWorks, and this is relevant only until we do the transfer to Workday, which is coming in the spring. So after we switch over to Workday, you'll have to learn a whole new system, but I still thought it was important to kind of walk you through this. So your employee ID, you can get from HR. I'm going to do employee self-service, and then you have these modules. So payroll is where you can get your timesheets and see your breakdown in compensation. Your performance reviews, let me see what else is here, your leave balances, any benefits, your job descriptions. You also want to pay particular attention to your personal details. So when we get any alerts like inclement weather and school closures, that would come to whatever numbers you have uploaded in TeamWorks. So if you're not getting those messages by email or on the proper cell phone number, it's because that number isn't uploaded into TeamWorks. And so this is where you would do that. So hopefully you find this helpful. If you have any questions, either contact me or HR. Oh, one more thing. I think payroll is also where you find your W-2, which will become relevant in a couple of months. So that's where you can get the electronic version or a copy of your W-2. Again, hope you found this helpful.